This rust goes pretty deep.
Cracked pretty badly here.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. Let me get this down. This rust is deeper than I thought.
Let's see what we're working with here.
I think the main issue is with the steering column itself.
Looks like a full replacement might be needed.
Let's get this headlight in. Screwdriver?
Easy does it now. Got mine. We should start with the larger sections first.
Impressive. The new compound really works.
Okay, hold it steady right there.
Just
See
a
that?
bit more on this edge, I think.
This filler needs a bit more work.
Let me check the front alignment while you're at it.
Let's smooth this out.
This trim needs careful handling.
All right, let's blow this section clean.
Without getting attacking.
Almost there. This side needs a bit more.
Nice, smooth coat. This silver really pops. Just a little more on this side.
Got it. Perfect finish, feels like new.
I am definitely surprised.
Absolutely, a flawless job. Looking good, perfect finish. Almost done with this side.
Looks even.
Really
Great
starting
job.
to shine now.
Just a bit more on this side and she'll be perfect. Looking good.
Perfect
All right,
shine
this
on
one's
this
ready for
classic.
clear coat.
Looking good. Mine's prepped and ready for its first layer.
Looks good, right?
Yeah, perfect fit.
Almost got it.
Just a little more.
Perfect. Let's take it for a spin. Beauty, isn't she? So, yeah. Best one we've done yet. All that work paid off. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, Dorby. Yes, another masterpiece.
Looks like we got another one done.
Yes, another beauty ready for the road.